Hey guys, so I've never really done one of these videos before, but I wanted to try and give it a go today. I am absolutely flat out busy, which is pretty much my life. If any of you know me personally, my life is just, it's crazy. Like, there's always stuff going on. So I thought I would try and do a vlog today. We'll see how it goes. I'm about to head off in about 5 minutes. I'm going to catch up with a friend for some lunch, and while I'm doing that, I'm getting my car cleaned, and I have a few other errands and stuff to run this afternoon. So let's see how this goes. We'll try. Stay in the life of Jess. Alrighty, so I'll catch in with you guys later. So I actually just thought that I would show you what I am wearing today. I just have a pair of comfy jeans on. It's about 27 today, so it's not going to be too hot, so I can get away with the jeans. I'm just wearing a plain white singlet. I love this singlet. It's a basic, but it's seriously just good for anything. You can dress it up or dress it down. I have my favorite boots on. I actually got these from Kmart. They were like $30. I have my white handbag, and I have a hat. So I found this hat at the Bondi markets actually, and I really love it. So it's got this cute little belt thing on the side of it, and it is adjustable, so you can make it like tighter or whatever if it's windy or whatever. But yeah, that's my outfit for today. Okay, so I have had like the busiest morning. So I literally I went out with my friend, and we had some lunch and we caught up, so that was really nice to see her again, and to just really like catch up on each other's lives and like everything that's been going on. Yeah, I went and got a vaccine, so my arm is like so dead right now. I'm going traveling, so I need to like get a few things before I go. I'm only going to Europe, so like it'll be fine, but yeah, my arm, like she did a really good job, but it's still like, it hurts a bit. Yeah, so now I've got to wait 45 minutes until my license test, so I'm literally just like waiting. I'd really like to go and find like a nice spot to go and sit, but I'm one of those people that if I like go somewhere, then all I'll be worried about is like trying to come back here. So I don't think it's worth me leaving, because I don't want to be late. I don't want to miss this test. So I went and just got a coffee at from my favorite place. It is called the Ugly Mug. It is a place in Richmond, New South Wales, and I love their coffee. It's so good, and everybody's always so nice in there. So yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting around. I have my coffee, and yeah, I think I'm gonna maybe just go for a nice walk or something. And yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a full-on day, but every day in my life is like this, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah, I hope you're all having a good day. So I found this beautiful little spot that I had no idea existed, but now I think I'm gonna come and sit here more often. It's really peaceful. It's just by like a bit of water. I wouldn't really say this is like a lake or anything, but it's just really nice. It's just a park, just chilling, not really that far away from anything. Like, I'll definitely have time to go back into the main town, and yeah, I'm watching there's like guys on horses across this little river bit, and they're like playing polo over there, so I'm just like, this is great. I've got my setup. I'll happily sit here and watch the guys play polo. Like, this is awesome. Why didn't I discover this earlier? her motorbike test. Yay! I am so excited. So I went and did the prac motorbike thing like a couple weeks ago, and I passed that, but you have to do a like a knowledge test as well. So I just went and did that, and now I'm now legally allowed to drive a motorbike on the road. How freaking cool is that? Now I just have to go and buy a motorbike. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I think, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I've got like 2 hours until I have to be at dancing, so probably should just go home, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I'll probably, I don't know, yeah, probably just go home. But then it's like, then I've got to drive all the way back out here. Ugh. That's first world problems right there. Like literally first world problems. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Like, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'm so excited. Yay!